GNCRC back once again with another video. I want to thank all you guys for continuing to support the channel. All you guys that always come over and check out my live videos. You guys know who you are. All the guys that go back and check out the videos later on when they get a chance. You guys know who you are. Today I crawled, and for you guys that came in and saw the live videos where I crawl, today I didn't get a chance to drive this. I was excited about getting out there and giving this a go. One of my little cousins came in and he wanted to check it out, but he kind of fell off the suspension bridge and he broke this. But it's not a big deal because I can go in and I can go ahead and print some more of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and print some more of these and we'll be back in action with this once again. I don't know if I'm gonna get another crawl in before the year's out, but hopefully, because I was excited about crawling this thing. And today I did bring this thing out. I put the Mofo wheels on, not Mofo wheels, I'm sorry. I put the little guys, Trail Kings on. I love these things, they are humongous, I love them. I didn't crawl it, so that's why you guys didn't see any video of it crawling. But anyway, so this thing now has a Lizard Pro, if you don't know, and it has a Mofo motor inside also. That's enough of this, guys. So we got another giveaway. So as many of you guys know, when I bought the one motor, I bought two. I went ahead and bought two. And I was thinking about using it, but I kind of decided to give it away. So it will include everything that came in the pack. Stickers. Motor itself, this particular one hasn't been opened. So I'm just gonna open the box. Still in the plastic. And in order to get this thing installed in your rig, you are going to need the motor mount that came with it. But I'm also going to include, if I can find it, I actually have the other motor mount. I went back and bought both of the motor mounts. I don't know, maybe, no, sorry, this is the new one. This is the enclosed one. And inside of the box is the standard one that it came with. If I can get it out of there. But you know what, I'm not gonna battle with this. That's the one that it came with. And then this is the one that I bought after he came out with a new version of it. Just gonna pop that back in like so, and I'm going to put this back in. So this is gonna be my Christmas giveaway. This is gonna run until Saturday. We're gonna give this away along with a set of the Trail Kings at the same time, but not at the same time. So we're gonna run the giveaway for these first, since we did these first. These are actually on IG, so make sure you go on IG and find the video. I'll put the video on the link, and go ahead and do what you need to do to get entered into that one. And this is gonna be a YouTube video, YouTube giveaway. So you guys pretty much know what you had to do in the last giveaway. So if you didn't get any of those tires in the last giveaway, go ahead and jump into the Instagram giveaway. And if you wanna get a Mofo Nano Beast motor, make sure you follow the directions below. And the next time, guys, this is GNCRC.